Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do another video for Globleland. It's a company that I got rubber stamps and die cuts. Now I have a unpackaging video that I will link in my description box, and I'll probably have it linked at the top at the end of the video. And they were very generous and asked me to try out some of their stuff and to give a review. So I'm gonna make me a art journal, and I'm gonna use some of this craft paper. I love it. I found this book in a thrift store and I just fell in love with the cover. So I'm gonna use this cover and make an art journal. And one of the things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try out these die cuts, piecing together this little bee set. I have never tried piecing. Of course I die cut, but I've never tried piecing together intricate, so I'm kind of anxious to try that. And I may do some rubber stamping with some of these bees as well. So be sure and check out their site. I will have it listed in my description box down below, and I'll have all the products that I had in my unboxing or unpackaging. And they are very reasonably priced, and I highly recommend that you check them out. They're very good quality. I was very pleased with them. So be sure and check them out and go to their website. You'll be amazed at the wonderful prices that they have on their stuff. So I hope you enjoy my video, and I hope you'll enjoy my journal making and my first thing in there, making my little bees. So without further ado, let's get started. here we are. I've got my book and I've got my project, and I love how this turned out. I think it's adorable, and it was a lot easier than I thought it would be. And I just took a picture of the picture that they had so that I could kind of get an idea, but I added more leaves and I just kind of did my own thing with it. And that's what you should do with arts and crafts. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure and check out Globleland. There's a coupon for Susan05 for some money off if you want to make an order of plus $40. I think it's $5 for plus 40. And they really have a great selection. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content, and leave a comment. I'm really happy with my book. I just used some craft paper for my pages, and so that I could draw on it, and I had too much gesso, so I just gessoed a few more pages to get ahead. So until next time, bye y'all.